Why are they replaced when they are only 5% spent? This is asking about spent nuclear fuel. When we dispose of them, 95% of the potential energy that you could get out from nuclear fission is still there, and we then throw them away. We don't recycle them. And the reason why is that the primary source of that energy comes from uranium-235. Now, uranium-235 in nature, it's got an isotopic abundance of only about 0.7%. And that's not enough in our light water reactors to actually have a critical reaction and create power from a chain reaction of fission. So we have to enrich it to about 5%. And that 5% of the uranium-235 that's in the fuel, that's actually not really what's used to its entirety. It's actually only about half of that or somewhere around that. Whereas the uranium-238, the more abundant isotope of uranium, it's absorbing neutrons and getting activated and decaying down into plutonium-239, which is also used as a fuel in the reactor. And so by the end of the lifetime of that spent fuel rod, if you burn it to its maximum amount, then it's about half uranium-235 and half plutonium-239 that's being burned as fuel. Now, when you're doing that, however, when you're fissioning the uranium and the plutonium that's in the fuel, that's creating fission products, and those fission products are neutron poisons. So you need the fissile nuclides, plutonium-239, uranium-235, to keep the chain reaction going. But all the fission products, all those decay products that come from that, the cesiums, the strontiums, the iodines, kryptons, all of those things, they will absorb neutrons and they become neutron poisons, and it prevents the reaction from continuing. And so you need to remove those fission products in order to be able to recycle the fuel. And so it's actually a chemical process that you have to do. If you do something like a molten salt reactor, you're doing that continually. The reprocessing is happening on site instead of at a separate nuclear facility. So that's why it's currently being disposed right now, is because we're not recycling. And so if we're not recycling, it can't be reused.